teachers, and all my dear friends. We, the students of class 7th A, are here to present to you this morning assembly on the topic World Wildlife Day, as we observe October 4th as the International Day of Wildlife.
First, I call upon Komal Sai Kaushik to say the prayer.
Good morning to one and all. I am Komal Sai, bringing you today's prayer. In some ways, we are evil. Oh God, help us to see it, and Amen. In some ways, we are good. Help us to be better and recreate in us the soul of service, the spirit of peace. Renew in us the sense of joy, the sense of power of good. Thank you.
Thank you, Komal Sai Kaushik. Now, let's take the blessings of the Almighty with a few words from the Holy Bhagavad Gita. So, I call upon Pranita to read the verse and Akshita to say its meaning.
Good morning everyone. I am Ms. Pranita from class 7A here to tell a sloka from Bhagavad Gita. Tasmadasakta satatam karyam karama samachara. Tasmadasakta satatam karyam karama samachara. Tasmadasakta satatam karyam karama samachara. Asakto haranyo karma parapnoti purushaha.
The meaning of the shloka is go on efficiently doing your duty at all times without attachment. Doing work without attachment, man attains the supreme. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranita and Akshita. Now, let us remember our duties towards our nation. So, I call upon Yakshin to administer the pledge.
Namaste. I am Yakshin Siraj of class 7th A, going to tell a pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion to well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Yakshin. The day is incomplete without a good thought. So, here is Shambhavi with the thought of the day.
My name is Shambhavi Mishra and I am going to tell the thought of the day. Animals are not property or things, but rather living organisms, subjects of life, worthy of our compassion, respect, friendship and support. Happy World Animal Day.
Thank you, Shambhavi. Now, here is Prana Kumar to enlighten us with the topic.
morning everyone. This is Pranav Kumar from 7th A going to speak about World Wildlife Day, the day of signature of the Convention on the International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna in 1973 as UN World Wildlife Day to celebrate and raise the awareness of wild animals. The UNGA resolution also designated the Site Secretariat as a facilitator for the global observance of this special day for wildlife in UN calendar. Wildlife conservation refers to the practice of protecting wild species and their habitats in order to maintain healthy wild species or populations and to restore, protect or enhance natural ecosystems. Major threats to wildlife include habitat destruction, degradation, fragmentation, overexploitation, and climate change. The IUCN estimates that 27,000 species of one assessed are at risk for extinction. To address these issues, there have been both national and international governmental efforts to preserve Earth's wildlife. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav Kumar. Now, here is Navanya to give us knowledge about a few endangered species.
Hello everyone, I am Navanya. To mark the World Animal Day, I would like to take you all through a journey of a few rarest animals in the world that still exist within the wild. All of these animals are critically endangered and in immediate need of conservation, or they will be lost to the world permanently. Here goes the list. The first animal is the vaquita. Its scientific name is Phocina sinus. This porpoise lives in the extreme northwestern corner of the Gulf of California in Mexico. It is likely that the vaquita will be extinct within a decade. The second animal is the Javan rhinoceros. Its scientific name is Rhinoceros sandicus. It is an Indonesian rhino that exists only in one nature preserve on the island of Java. The third animal is the red wolf. Its scientific name is Canis rufus. It is the only North American entry on our list of rarest animals, but also one of the most threatened. The fourth animal is the gobi bear. Its scientific name is Arctos ursus gobensis. It is a subspecies of brown bears that exists only in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia. The next animal is the addax. Its scientific name is Addax nasomaculatus. It is an antelope that previously ranged from the desert of Africa. The last on our list of rarest animals is the kakapo or Stringops habropetla. It is a nocturnal flightless parrot with a lifespan of 60 years. It is native to New Zealand. Friends, I hope you found this information to be useful. Thank you.
Thank you, Navanya. Now, some of our friends are here to show their sketch diagrams of wild animals and speak a few lines about them.
The animal which I am going to talk about today is the great auk. The great auk is a species of flightless alcid. It became extinct in the mid-19th century. It belonged to the genus Penguinus. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Abhinay and I'm going to tell few lines about tiger. The scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris. It is an carnivorous animal which falls under category of mammals. It is the largest living member of cat family. It is a nocturnal animal which preys animals like deer, baby elephants and buffaloes. It is mostly found in places like India, China, Bhutan, Malaysia, etc. It is also called as god of jungle.
Good morning everyone, this is Anukia Grace from 7th A. Today I am going to speak about an animal named red panda. The red panda has a reddish brown fur, a long shaggy tail and it is roughly the size of a domestic cat, too with a longer body. Red panda is a herbivorous animal native to eastern of Himalayas and southwest China. It is listed on IUCN Red List because the wild population is estimated at fewer than 10,000 mature individuals and continues to decline due to habitat loss or poaching.
I am Aishika Chatterjee of class 7A. Today, I am going to talk about Black Mamba. Judging by this peculiar and interesting name, you would wonder, what type of creature is this Black Mamba? Well, Black Mamba is a species of snake which comes from the family of Elapidae. Now, if you find Black Mamba name interesting, then you would also find its scientific name Dendroaspis polylepis also interesting. Didn't you find it interesting? Well, I found it interesting. Well, today I'm going to talk about Black Mamba in detail and ask some of my questions, like silly questions, to myself and going to answer it myself so that you could clarify your doubts about Black Mamba. First question: who gave the name Black Mamba? This snake. Yeah, Black Mamba. The name was given Black Mamba by Albert Gunther, or also known as Charles Louis Gottlieb Gunther, who was a German zoologist and herpetologist. Second question: why did the snake got Black Mamba name? I mean, what type of quality does this have to have such a cool name? Well, it has such a cool name because the black means the skin tone of the snake. This snake has a very dark, deep brown with a hint of black. Well, the brown doesn't look that brown. Well, it kind of looks like grayish kind of brown. So it looks very blackish skin. So that's why it is named as black. And Mamba means venomous. Well, in case you don't know, Black Mamba is considered as the second venomous and longest snake after King Cobra. Don't tell me you don't know King Cobra. Well, if you don't know, Google it. Well, King Cobra, that's gonna be in another day. But today, let's just stay for Black Mamba. So Black Mamba is 14 feet long. That means it's the height of an apartment from the floor to the ceiling. I mean, it is super long. Yeah, not super long like King Cobra, but still it is pretty long, and it is also very, very venomous. So that's why the name got Black Mamba.
Thank you, friends. Now, let us go around knowing the world's happenings with Anshuman, who is ready with the news bulletin.
Good morning to everybody. My name is Anshuman and I am going to share the news today. International news. On the occasion of International Day of Non-Violence observed annually on 2nd October on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres gestures the need of Usher in a new era of peace and tolerance. National news. The world's largest Khadi national flag, which is 225 feet and 155 feet, and has been prepared by 51 Engineers Regiment of the Indian Army. State news. CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy launches Clean Andhra Pradesh CLAP mission. City news. Vizag, a witness least number of cases in September. School news. There is an open day at 9 October and it is scheduled according to roll number wise. Weather news. The maximum temperature today is 28 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. And there is a low chance of precipitation tonight. Sport news. Delhi Capitals beat MI by 4 wickets.
Thank you, Anshuman. Now here is Havish with some GK questions.
Good morning everyone. I am Havish of class 7th A, bringing you a few GK questions on today's topic, Wildlife Day. Which is the animal symbol of World Wild Fund? The answer is giant panda. In which year Animal Protection Act was implemented in India? The answer is 1972. Which is the biggest animal in the world? The answer is blue whale. Which animal feeds on eucalyptus leaves? The answer is koala bear. Which bird can fly backwards? The answer is hummingbird. Which is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh? The answer is black buck. Which is the slowest mammal in the world? The answer is sloth. What is stored in the hump of camel? The answer is fat. Which is the animal have the largest lifespan in the world? The answer is bowhead whale. In which part of the body the heart of the shrimp located? The answer is head. Thank you.
Thank you, Havish. Now, I request our principal sir to speak a few words.
Thank you, children. Good morning,
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
I thank you for inviting me to your virtual presentation of morning assembly. And I'm happy that you have chosen the topic environment for your presentation. Children, we are passing through a very critical time as far as the change in the environment is concerned. Because of many reasons, the natural resources of the earth, which are available for us, are being exploited, and there's a threat that very soon we'll run out of many resources. And because human beings have utilized the resources in unplanned way, therefore the many lives of other creatures than human beings are in danger because of our activities on the earth. This is something which will certainly affect our presence also on the earth. Therefore, whatever best can be done from all of us, right from today, right from this time, must be done. I wish when you grow up, you understand the individual contribution for taking care of the environment, and we are responsible for not only keeping the environment good for our sake, but also the same has to be passed to the coming generations. Therefore, I urge to all of you to do your best. Whatever kind of assignment is there with you, you can certainly make a difference by your personal contribution to the nature, to the wildlife in general. Therefore, have kind approach and a broader sense of understanding for all the creatures which are there around us, and let us understand that our existence is also dependent on the presence of these creatures. I convey my best wishes to all of you for many more presentations in days to come. I once again thank you for inviting me to your virtual presentation of morning assembly. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I am Sonika here. Indeed, we came to know about a good number of wildlife from our dear friends. I take this opportunity to thank all my classmates who have enlightened us with today's topic, our class teacher who supported and guided us at every stage, and Principal Sir for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
And this is Preeti signing off. Let us gear up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय